Write capital letters, full stops, commas, exclamation marks, and question marks in the dialogue. Munir, is Hasna Henna a teacher? Nipa, yes, she is.
What does she teach?
Nipa, she teaches English.
Where does she teach?
Nipa, at a primary school in Dhaka.
Does Hasna Henna like teaching?
Nipa, yes, she does.
Is she a good teacher?
Nipa, yes, she's a wonderful teacher. Write capital letters, full stops, commas, exclamation marks, and question marks in the dialogue. Good morning. Can I help you? Good morning. Could I have one fried egg, one apple, and a glass of papaya juice? I'm sorry, we don't have any papaya juice. Do you want to have mango juice? Yes, please. Anything else? No, thanks. That's all. Pair work. Ask and answer the questions about Activity A. 1. How many questions are there in the dialogue? 2. How many commas are there? 3. How many exclamation marks are there? 4. How many full stops are there? 5. How many capital letters are there? Correct the following sentences using proper punctuation. Pair work. Act the dialogue in Activity A.